G'day good people, welcome to the ultimatemoney.com.au coin review of the day. My name's Corey and today we're going to take a look at Bitcoin Cash, the controversial Bitcoin hard fork. So what exactly is Bitcoin Cash? Bitcoin Cash was created in August of 2017. It is the hard fork of Bitcoin. And what I mean by hard fork is that originally Bitcoin was one single blockchain, and due to a difference in opinion in the Bitcoin community, a hard fork was created where the blockchain split in half and they share the same information from here down, but from this point onwards, they're no longer the same blockchain. And the creation of Bitcoin Cash was one of the most controversial events in 2017. It pretty much divided the community straight down the middle. And what Bitcoin Cash seeks to do is to address the scalability issues that Bitcoin faces. And again, scalability, which we've talked about in previous reviews, is the ability to meet demand as more and more people start using the network. So what Bitcoin Cash is doing instead is it's solving the issues with on-chain solutions. And this was Satoshi Nakamoto's original vision when it came to solving scalability. The on-chain solution is to increase the block size of the blocks on the blockchain. So therefore, with more available storage on the block, that means that not as many blocks are being processed at any given time, and it frees up the network, allowing for faster transactions and more liquidity. So what gives Bitcoin Cash value? Bitcoin Cash is currently faster and cheaper to transact than the original Bitcoin. It does indeed have a larger block size than the original Bitcoin. It has a block size of 8 megabytes, while the original Bitcoin has a block size of only 1 megabyte. It also carries the Bitcoin name, which is a very controversial topic because Bitcoin Cash really isn't Bitcoin anymore, technically speaking. However, Bitcoin Cash thinks that it is still Bitcoin, and well, maybe it is still Bitcoin, and this is where the controversy comes in. Especially when new buyers come into the market, they buy Bitcoin Cash thinking that they're actually buying Bitcoin or something that's associated with Bitcoin, when really they are two different things. And so it's kind of stealing the label of Bitcoin and using it for its own marketing advantages. Some interesting technology behind Bitcoin Cash is that it has a bigger block size, and that block size will increase by 40% every 2 years. Who are the team behind Bitcoin Cash? Firstly, we have Craig Wright, which is an infamous Brisbane computer scientist and ambassador of Bitcoin Cash. Craig also identified himself as Satoshi Nakamoto. Although he tried to prove that by signing off with Satoshi's signature, many claim that it could have been set up and that it really doesn't prove that he is Satoshi at all. Some notable partnerships with Bitcoin Cash are firstly the HD internet calling app YeCall and its 33 million users are about to partner with Bitcoin Cash. And Japanese financial giant SBI openly supports Bitcoin Cash. They claim that Bitcoin Cash will be the crypto that's used for daily payments in the future. What are the good things about Bitcoin Cash? Well, Bitcoin Cash seeks to solve Bitcoin scalability issues, as we said before. So it does actually bolster faster transaction speeds and lower transaction fees than the original Bitcoin, especially in peak periods. What are the bad things about Bitcoin Cash? Well, Bitcoin Cash doesn't really do anything better than the original Bitcoin. And this is because although at the moment it might be faster than the original Bitcoin, it actually receives far less traffic than the Bitcoin network. And also only 10% of its holdings are actually traded, whilst the rest is held in speculation. And Bitcoin Cash is trying to be a spending currency, which is what the original Bitcoin was meant to be at the beginning. And so Bitcoin Cash's big thing is, well, we're returning back to a spending currency like the original Bitcoin. However, they're not processing anywhere near as much traffic as the original Bitcoin, and yet they claim to be so much faster with lower fees and all the rest of it. What is the future of Bitcoin Cash? Well, all I could really find was just further scaling of block sizes, the maintenance of code, and the development of its network in its continued mission to outperform Bitcoin. So what do I think about Bitcoin Cash? From this review, it may seem like that I'm a bit of a hater, and trust me, I'm not. I'm just very skeptical. It indeed has increased its block sizes to address the scalability issues like it's promised, and it is the fourth most valued coin on the market. And there is no doubt that Bitcoin Cash has a lot of support from the industry and from its devout followers, and it's always good to have diversity on the market. But when it's all said and done, as Bitcoin Cash does not receive the same amount of traffic as Bitcoin, and as only 10% of it is actually being traded and spent as cash, which is what it's supposed to be about, Bitcoin Cash just doesn't seem to stack up to the revolution that it claims to be. Thanks for watching today, good people. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you want to know where to buy Bitcoin Cash or how to store it, then head to www.ultimatemoney.com.au for all your crypto news, reviews, and how-tos. My name's Corey. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.